Hello, I'm William Hare, Associate Dean of Land Grant Programs for Causes.
And I am Tatiana Larionova, Program Associate for Youth Development in the Center for Nutrition, Diet and Health.
On behalf of Dean Jones, welcome to the May 2023 episode of our series, Deep Dive with Causes. Causes stands for the College of Agriculture, Urban Sustainability, and Environmental Sciences here at the University of the District of Columbia. We are the land-grant university and public institution of higher education and learning in and for the nation's capital.
This deep dive series is an update on what's happening throughout our college and a way to share information with the communities we serve. This year, Causes hosted its first marketing and outreach intern, who is a high school senior from Maryland. The student learned and supported marketing, outreach, communications, website development, and volunteer program coordination. The Causes intern was prepared for the new internship by Genesys Works. Genesys Works provides skills training, counseling and coaching, and paid internships for high school seniors who currently reside in underserved communities. The students lack access to the resources needed to achieve sustained economic mobility. For more information about Genesys Works, visit the website on your screen.
UDC Causes Director of Urban Agriculture, Mr. Che Axum, recently visited Malaysia to teach biointensive urban agriculture to a group of local farmers and community leaders. With a population of over 32 million, Malaysia is the world's 45th most populous country. It's known for its beaches, rainforests, and mix of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and European cultural influences. Che's lessons focused on the basics of biointensive farming, including topics such as companion planting, crop rotation, and the importance of soil health. During his visit, Che and the students also experimented with organic pest management and water conservation methods. This initiative is one of many ways that Causes is making a global impact.
Professor Bessie Stockard, Associate Professor of Health Education in Causes, and several other trailblazing women are featured in a multi-episode docuseries titled If Not For Them. The series traces the history of women's basketball through the eyes of players, coaches, and administrators. It covers the early days of the sport in Iowa high schools through the passage of Title IX and beyond. A documentary series of this scope has never been produced on the history of women's basketball. Professor Stockard has been a professor at UDC for more than 50 years, teaching tennis and other courses focused on physical activity. She's also a Tuskegee Hall of Famer, a District of Columbia Sports Hall of Famer, and a UDC Athletics Hall of Famer. Congratulations, Professor Stockard. To learn more about the If Not For Them docuseries, visit the link on your screen.
The 11th Annual National Capital Region Water Resources Symposium was held at UDC on Friday, April 14th. This one-day symposium brought together experts from governmental agencies, academia, the private sector, and nonprofits in the District of Columbia and parts of Maryland, Virginia, and West Virginia. Symposium attendees presented and discussed innovations in water research, technology, policy, and management. They reflected on the value of water in the National Capital Region, as well as nationally and internationally. The theme of this year's symposium was data science applications in equitable and resilient water resource management. Dr. Tulisa Dexisa, the director of the Water Resources Research Institute in Causes, has served as co-organizer of the symposium since its inception. He also served as a president of the North Capital Regional Section of the American Water Resources Association last year and completed his term as the organization's past president this year. To learn more about the Symposium and the Water Resources Research Institute, please visit our website at the link on your screen.
Thank you for tuning in to Deep Dive with Causes.
For more information about Causes or today's program, please email us at causes@udc.edu or visit us on the web.